again. So in this video I am going to show you how to create space in your Android phone without deleting your pictures or your videos. So pay attention and watch this video to the end, and make sure you subscribe so that when next I post another video you will get a notification. So guys, as you can see on the app, you can see these are the various apps I have in my phone. So currently now I am going to show you how to create space in your Android phone without deleting any file and without deleting any picture or video. So first of all, you start from the top one. You click on the top one and hold it. When you click on the top one and hold it, you will see a pop-up down. You can see that pop-up. So you click on the pop-up, you click on it. So when you click on it, you click on storage and cache. So when you click on storage and cache, you can see these are the storage of this particular app. You clear only the cache. Clear the cache, don't clear the storage, just clear the cache. You can see I have created space. Then I go back. That's for that one. So I click the next one. I click on the app info, then storage and cache, then clear only the cache, and then you go back. Then you go to the next one, click and hold until you see this pop-up. Then you click on it. Then you go to the storage, and then you clear only the cache. You can see I've cleared this cache. Then I go back again. I go to the next one. So you can see storage and cache. You can see 155 MB. So clear cache. You can see I've cleared that one. Then I go back again. I go to this app. The same method. You click on storage and cache, and then you clear cache. So guys, basically, so this is what you will do. You make sure you do this from here, to all your apps. When you clear the cache, you are not deleting the app. The app is still going to function properly. There is nothing wrong with the app. The app will function properly. So guys, that is all for this video. Make sure you subscribe so that when next I